Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a customer service tool with Zendesk, detailed guide step by step clear. First, start by creating a Zendesk account. Visit the Zendesk website and click on the Start a Free Trial button. Fill in the required information and click Sign Up. Once your account is created, familiarize yourself with the interface and available tools. Next, determine the channels you want to support. Zendesk allows you to integrate channels like email, chat, and social media. Navigate to the admin panel to set up these channels. For email, you can configure support addresses under channels. Follow the prompts to add any relevant email addresses. If you want to add chat support, select the chat option in the Channels section. Activate the chat feature and customize its appearance. Consider adding other channels such as social media. After setting up your channels, define your customer service workflows. Go to the admin panel and select Workflows. Create triggers to automate responses for common inquiries. Define your ticket management strategy. This might include setting priority levels or categorizing issues. Next, set up your knowledge base. Navigate to the Guide tab to create articles for self-service support. Draft detailed guides that address common customer questions. Make sure to organize these articles in categories for easy navigation. Now, customize your Zendesk interface. Go to the admin panel and select Branding. Upload your logo and choose color themes that match your brand. Once branding is completed, invite your team members. Under People in the admin panel, add team members with their roles. Ensure that assign relevant permissions according to their responsibilities. As you invite your team, start training them on the tool. Conduct training sessions that cover ticket management, customer interactions, and reporting. After training is complete, run a test with a small group of customers. Gather feedback to identify potential improvements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.